Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of The Rolling Moment, and we are at Frontline Eurosports yet again because they have another Triumph demo day, this time Scramblers and Adventures. Let's take a look. All right, first up, Triumph Scrambler 400 XC. Next up, we got the Scrambler 900. Right next to it, the big brother, Scrambler 1200. Here we have a Tiger 660 Sport. And then a Tiger 800 Sport. And then the Tiger 900 GT Alpine Edition. All right, let's go ride some bikes. Unfortunately, a rainstorm came in, so it cut demo day short. But that's okay. Got to ride the majority of the bikes. Rode the Tracker 400, the Scrambler 900, the Scrambler 1200, and then jumped straight over to the Tiger 900 GT. All great bikes, very interesting. It was really nice to compare each Scrambler at each level. That was fantastic. So, yeah, in the meantime, keep an eye out for demo days near you. Also, come out for the Rolling Moment's first charity ride, the Mods and Rockers themed ride, September 19th. Head to the website, rollingmoment.com, and I'll see you there.